Okay, so trade recap on the day. So we did take a very nice little profit over here. So let's get into the reasoning behind it. So starting on the 15-minute, first of all, we had this very big fair value gap. No homo. Well, I don't even know why I said that's kind of weird. Anyways, so fair value gap, very beautiful, popping up ES on the left. What did we see? At the time, at least, we had a SMT divergence, as you can see, from 930 to 130. SMT, and let's mark this out, SMT, very beautiful. So we had the fair value gap, we had the SMT on the 15-minute time frame. Now, yes, even though that this fair value gap got tapped in over here, got tapped in over here, tapped, and then obviously got like rejected later on after the trade I took. But fair value gaps are always valid. It doesn't matter how many times they get tapped into, they are always, always, always valid until they have a full body close past it. So that being said, we jump down to the 1 minute. So let me just rewind the charts a bit over here. So what did I see? First thing coming, charts were a little bit choppy, I'm not gonna lie. So I came down to a 2 minute, still there wasn't anything. So I stayed on the 1 minute, kind of just bared with the chop, I would say. So what did we see over here? We had that manipulation, a little hard to tell, but it was there. Manipulation and market structure shift right at these lows. Guys, don't even ask how the hell I even like saw this with my eyes, but somehow I did. Inversion for value gap. The second we had a full break, I waited for the retrace, which I got right over here. And I ended up taking, I don't even know if I can actually short a position over here. Anyways, I ended up taking a trade right over here. Stop loss went right above these highs. And for my take profit, I put a -2 standard deviation. Now, I did have in mind that this is a fair value gap over here. So this could be a area of rejection. So I did keep that in mind. Second price came down. Very nice. Right over here, I was a little iffy. I was like, okay, I'm going to go to break even because we had that market structure shift that got confirmed. On the second candle though, over here, I thought we were going to make a full break because we are pushing through it quite strong. But we ended up pushing back, and that's where I brought my stop loss all the way down here. And as you can see, if I get out of the replay, where I actually got out of the chart was right here. So not really that big of a trade, nothing crazy to go like, oh my god, crazy profits. But I mean, hey, still a profit. I'm happy with it. But it is what it is. Markets didn't really correspond the way I wanted it to, and we had that very big push higher. Other than that, I mean, price today, meh, not the best, but still made some profit. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments what you think about it. And if you need any more help on trading, I have a free link down below. Join my mentorship, and I'll teach you one-on-one.